Ang nakaraan sa reaction video.
Ay!
Scurry videos.
Gago yung si Kulot, no? Nakalutang yung paa ni Kulot na amoy buni.
Now, these are videos that kind of fit this scary genre, but they're kind of goofy or funny. Maybe just goofy. Anyway, you decide. First up, a man spots something terrifying peering at him from the corner of his door frame.
Tapos sabi niya sumisilip-silip lang ang multo eh. Ayaw niya talaga magpakita eh.
And then it was just his cat. But
Gago, natakot ako, napamura ako dun.
how did it get up there? Was it something supernatural? Nah, it wasn't. It wasn't anything supernatural. Next, we move on to something really scary that actually makes its way inside the door. The result is truly disturbing.
Oh my God, may ipis.
Some say that this unfortunate woman never made it out of that room.
Ako huliin ko yan, papakain ko sa tarantula ko or doon sa Oscar ko. Pag may nakukuha kasi yung mga uod-uod dito, pinapakain ko sa Oscar.
And then some say she just stepped on that roach.
Natakot ako doon sa pusi. Akala ko multo na, pusi lang pala.
Continuing on, sometimes we hear about strange things that are said to be the result of paranormal activity, but we only have the story and experience of the person who witnessed it. Case in point.
Gago ka. Ayan ang mga tao na masyadong paniwalain sa multo. Yan yung mga taong ganyan, yung konting galaw lang iniisip na multo. Konting may naamoy lang na buni, akala nila multo na. Oh, masaya kayo ng ganyan. Oh, ayan, karma. Oh, sinipa pa yung basurahan, pinatulan yung basurahan. Tara mo, ayan, mukhang engot tuloy ito. Oh. Stupid. Love.
Afterwards, this very scared guy watched the
Alam nyo, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nakakatulog yan tao na yan. Iniisip niya, minumulto siya. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nakakatulog yan. Oo. Kakasakit na yan, hindi pa nakakatulog hanggang ngayon.
CCTV, and he felt like an idiot, I would assume.
Oo.
Now, finally, if you believe in strange creatures and cryptids, well, the road maintenance crew in Australia is right there with you.
Hang on a goddamn minute. Hang on a goddamn minute. There's a fucking what in 40 kilometers?
Ano yun, dinosaur?
Where the fuck are we going?
Anyway, thanks so much for watching.
Grabe, nakakatawa. Ang galing talaga ng Nook's Top 5, no? Pero parang mas magaling na si Goosebump dito eh. Oo, next time, Sir Crips naman tayo ah. Oh, Sir Crips. Diba? English lang talaga to eh. Kung nagkataon na English si Goosebump tsaka si Sir Crips, talo natin to eh. So ayan, thank you sa panonood ulit ng reaction video natin. At subscribe, share, and like. And comment. Kung trip yung mag-connect. Yung mga amoy buni dyan, mag-comment kayo ah. Ayan, thank you. See you next video.
So, yun guys, mag-end na reaction video. Yan guys, thanks for watching.